one of those. Are you making so many?
How many pancakes are you making?
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 44, 19, 18, 17, 16, 4, 5.
My truck can drive up stairs. How? It's not possible.
Well, we got our breakfast done this morning, and I've just started another load of laundry. Yet another one. And yeah, I think it's just gonna be a lazy, just clean the house and chill Saturday, because I don't know what kind of bug I contracted this week, but it literally kicked my behind. I'm not lying. I went to bed one night at 7:30. I was so tired. I couldn't keep my eyes open. I couldn't keep anything down. Today was, you saw my eggs. I like to eat eggs. Yesterday was the first day that I was able to keep anything down in 3-4 days, Tootie. It's a long time.
4.
Anyway, I finally kept a hamburger patty down last night. So I thought, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to try to drink my coffee. I'm going to try to eat something because it's been 3 or 4 days now.
4.
And I haven't been able to eat without it not staying down. So I wanted to try that. So far, so good. I'm not feeling any nausea, no sickness. So I'm feeling better head-wise. I had a very bad head cold, I think. It just, I couldn't breathe. I was so stopped up. It was terrible. I felt terrible. My kids told me I sounded terrible.
You did. You sounded terrible. You sound like... I don't know what.
I don't know either. Like
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, like Minnie Mouse on helium. I don't know. I just sounded weird. But anyway, I've got a roast, or 2 roasts. It takes 2 roasts to feed us because these 2 eat quite a bit. They eat a lot. So I've got to get the roasts going. I can't find my crock pot yet, so I'm just gonna put it in a cast iron brazier-like pot and put it in the oven.
Brazier?
So you'll get to watch me do that. And then we're just gonna clean, because there's so many people living here. I like to clean at least, 2 or 3 times a week to make sure everything stays like it should
5
stay.
people.
So
5 people live here.
we will get started on that. The kids like to help clean, thank goodness. And I think that's what today's going to hold for us. We're just going to stay here. Hope had to work today, so the rest of us are here at the house, and we're just going to make sure that everything stays as clean as we can make it.
It's not just the 3 of us. Robert's in his room.
That's right. Robert's here too.
There's 5 people.
I do have to get back out into the trailer today and try to get the rest of my spices out, because there are some. I need my garlic powder, my onion powder, and all that good stuff.
Goodness,
So I've got to get back out there, I know, and get that. And I know there's more food out there that I haven't found yet, but it's not perishable. So
Yeah.
whenever I run across it is fine. Just want to get back out there and get my spices. I don't know why I didn't bring them in yesterday. It's still medicine head foggy stuff, I guess. I can't take medicine. I was on the Alka-Seltzer. I took Alka-Seltzer and what else did I take?
You were taking Alka-Seltzer and you would...
Oh, Vicks, the Vicks Vapo Rub. I'm old school. I like to use the Vicks Vapo Rub on my neck and under my nose, and so it helps me breathe on my chest. Keeps it from settling in my chest, I think. I think it does anyway. And so I would take an Alka-Seltzer. It would kick in. I would have to go lay down. An hour later, I'd wake up. I'd come back up here. And when it come time, I'd take another Alka-Seltzer, and it would kick in and I'd have to go lay down. I just can't take medicine. I can't even take an ibuprofen without wanting to lay down and go to sleep. I've always been that way. I don't know why.
I can take any sort of medicine
But
and pass out.
oh yeah, you can pass out too, huh? Don't get shavings on the couch. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. So we'll try to get started here in a little bit when I finish my coffee. It's kind of nice being able to keep it down.
Well, I can go ahead and start plating.
What you doing, Ghost Lady? What you doing, Woody? Hello, Rody Pony. Hello, Rody Pony. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yeah. You have made such a mess out here. What did you tear up? Which toy did you tear up? Huh? Mama gotta get you some new toys. Gosh. Mama gotta get you some new toys. You're still a puppy. Oh, what is it, Rolly? What is it, Rolly? Who's your good girl? Yes. Good girl, Rolly Pony. There's Lady. There's Lady. Lady. Alright. Lady's a good girl too, huh? What are you doing? Who's a good boy? You're so silly. You're so silly.
This vacuum doesn't suck up all the dogs.
You got the dogs outside?
Yeah, because Rolly and Ghost.
They're scared of the vacuum.
Lady, she barked at me. The second I turned it on and started vacuuming, she went, "Rah!"
We need to empty the canister on it. It's full.
Yeah,
I don't know. Hold on. Let me figure out how to do that.
Let's see how this works.
Gonna let this olive oil warm up in this skillet, and then I'm gonna take these 2 roasts that I have and put them in there and try to get a good sear on them on each and every side. I don't know how that'll work in this rounded skillet, but you do what you gotta do. After that, I'm gonna see if I can fit them both into my pot over here, my cast iron pot. One of my favorite little pots my friend Deb gave me. And then I'm going to add some ranch dressing and brown gravy mix, some onions, and some beef broth, and some minced up garlic. After that, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes or so on 425. And then I'll decrease the temperature down to about 300, 275, 300, and we'll let it cook 5 or 6 hours and see how it turns out. I've got leftover potatoes from the other night. I'm out of potatoes. I don't have any carrots to put in here. I do have canned carrots, so we may have a can of carrots, some leftover potatoes, and some roast. But it'll be a good meal if I don't burn up my roast. I've got 2 different roasts. One of them I think is an arm roast. Let me see. No, one is a round roast. That's this one here. And then the other one is a chuck roast. Oh yeah. Working. I'm gonna get it picked back up. That's heavy. Have some help with my fork. I wound up having to cut this one into pieces because the chuck roast, you know, they have a bone in them. Or this one does. So I may have to put him in the middle and cut this one in pieces around it. Whatever works.
Well, I think that's
Yep.
what else you making?
Roast.
What?
Roast.
For breakfast?
For supper. I gotta put it in the oven. Woo! I gotta put it in the oven. So, I'm trying to get a good sear on it to keep in the juices. Put this one in here so I can cut it up. There. That one is cooking. I'm going to try to get this cut. Don't know.
Hey, you come down a little bit?
Ew. Beef broth. Just sit in there just right.
Hey.
There. And another piece. Perfect. Spices I'll put in there. My onion. Oven's warmed up. Garlic is one of those seasonings that I like to put in a lot of stuff. Garlic's good for you.
What do you want? Do you need something? Ooh,
And the more you chop like this, of course, the smaller your pieces get. take this and pour
I'm
it
gonna be a drink later. My water.
here. Just a little around the edges. It's looking like it's going to be plenty right there. I may need that later when this dries up. Who knows? Now, spread my garlic around. Now, what I like to do is use this. If you're not using this butter, this is some really good butter. Never used it before I came up here, and some of the people that I watch, and people even in the Costco, I think, yeah, Kirkland, this is where we picked this up at the Costco in Anchorage, but I mean, everywhere you looked in people's buggies, they had this butter. And I thought, well, I have to try this butter. So I tried the butter, and this is the best dad burn butter I've ever had in my life. I'm not lying. I like to cut up some of this butter, or any butter that you have. I'm not sponsored by Kirkland grass-fed butter in any way, form, or fashion. I just like the butter. So I'm going to cut some of it up, and I'm going to put it on top of the roast, and I'm going to put it all in the oven at 425 for around 30 minutes or so, like I said, and then we'll turn it down and we'll just let it cook low and slow all day long. But some of these little pats is going on top of the roast. Now I just took them and cut them in little squares. Just gonna set it all over the top of the roast. Just like that. I'm going to take this and just put the lid on it. You can cover it with aluminum foil if you want to. I'm just going to set it down in the oven. I like the handles on that pot. Alright, and that's going to cook for 30 minutes. Let me set my time because I still got a little fog going on. Let's see, timer, 30 minutes. We'll start that. Now, when my timer goes off, I'm going to come, take it out, look at it, put it back in there at 300 degrees instead of 425. Oh, I call this my jingle bell blanket. It's big and heavy, thick, very warm. even believe the amount of dust that was covering these blankets from the ride up here.
Oh my goodness, that's so close to the person. It's a game. Hey, skip game. Skip movie. Look. 40 minutes and 55 seconds.
So what?
I'm moving. But you could have watched. Or you could watch 2 hour, 1 hour. Like that.
This week on Kilcher's Last Frontier, us.
Lucas got hungry and decided he would like to have some noodles.
Ramen noodles.
So I put a couple of extra bouillon cubes down in there.
We got backup.
There's the flavor packet. flavor packet never holds enough flavor. So we add some extra bouillon, don't we?
Yep.
Yep.
Bouillon cubes.
Makes it good.
And it's called bouillon. Why do you have that? Bouillon.
That's a candy thermometer.
Candy thermometer. So we can make candy
Well, not today.
one day, maybe.
Maybe one day. It's been a full day. And we were sitting down now just watching TV, trying to relax, and Lucas decided he was hungry. I've got to give you a haircut, man. You're like Shaggy on
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Why am I like Shaggy?
'Cause you're Shaggy,
No, I'm not. I'm Scooby.
Scarlett. It's not the ideal place for you to be slinging your hair around. This is the kitchen. We don't do that in the kitchen.
I know.
Well, why did you do it?
Because it's fun.
Don't do it in the kitchen.
This is where we cook. This knob just dropped water.
I might have, a little thing might have splatted over there when I was moving that around. That's a great possibility. Now we're just going to get this boiling. Let it boil for, what did it say?
That's what I was.
3 minutes.
Whatever.
Boil 2 cups of water. Add noodles. Cook 3 minutes. Turn off the heat. Add the flavor pack. And stir it for a minute.
Is that blue? 1, 2, 3.
My spaghetti spoon is in the dishwasher, so I'm using my tongs. Be all right. It'll be all right, won't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever works.
Why does ramen noodles not take long?
It don't take long. If you will back up away from the stove, I'll check on my roast. Can you do that for me? I've got some extra beef broth right there if I need it. That tray is hot, in case you were wondering.
Truly?
The grate thing this is sitting on, it's very hot.
I hope it's done.
Well, I don't think it's done yet, but hurt my thumb. Please get back. Oh my.
Is it done?
It's really close.
Can I see it?
Not if you're gonna touch the top of this lid that's been in the oven at 300 degrees for the past, I don't know how many hours.
6.
It hasn't been in there 6 hours yet. Oh goodness. That's gonna be some good stuff right there.
Yeah.
Who needs a crock pot?
What? Who needs a crock pot? No one. No one. Yeah. Watch this. This is fun.
I'm gonna put that right back in there like that. Move, buddy.
You hurt my eye with your thumb.
I burnt your eye with my thumb. Really?
Yeah.
My thumb is not hot. Crazy
I thought
kid.
you said your phone.
Get away from that.
Good for square cut. Come on, sir.
3 minutes.
Don't
All
tickle me.
right, back up.
Lucas, get back. Come on. Come on, sir. Oh. You want the tickle monster to
I
get
think
you?
I might go ready to all this
No.
extra stuff in there.
Monster.
This extra beef broth.
Why does it need extra beef? Burl.
There we go.
That That's a lot.
Well, it just gets it out of my pan.
Wait.
I can wash my pan.
Can I?
Here we go.
Scarlett just said, can I?
Oh gosh, that's heavy.
I like cleaning. I like doing dishes.
Now,
That
that is going to be some good eating.
what is
The
roast?
roast, yes. Got another minute and a half or so on here.
Can I wash that pan? No.
Yes.
Yeah, and this fork.
No, leave that fork alone. Thank you.
Pan's not hot, right?
No, the pan's not hot.
Just let it sink
Doop, doop, doop,
into
doop.
the ocean. Oh.
What do you think about it, Lucas?
Good.
Been a good day, huh?
Yeah.
We got a lot done.
We don't get school.
We didn't have school today, no. No school today. It's Saturday.
Mama had work.
Your mother had to work. But Nana took care of the house and the laundry
We not just
and
you.
the supper.
Yeah. You took care of the supper. We helped you with the house while I helped too.
Yes, you both helped.
What did he do?
It was a group effort.
Vacuum.
Even Robert helped with the laundry.
Yeah. It was a family workout.
It was a workout, all right.
Ugh, this is like
40 seconds.
40. I mean 20 minutes. Which way is
30
hot?
seconds.
Which way makes the water hotter? Then 2 seconds.
20 seconds.
How
I
do
swear. This way.
I let all this water come out. That way I can fill it with warm.
Ding, ding, ding. Turn it on. Turn it off.
Is my food done? No. No.
Look, I'm gonna move it over here. But this is still hot, okay? We don't touch that. See that red light right there?
Yeah.
That means that this top is hot somewhere. Okay? Don't ever touch it.
Okay. I know that too.
Okay. I like to make sure.
Oh, buddy.
And that was our flavor packet.
Is my food done?
Some more flavor in just a minute. We just gotta let it sit for a minute. I gotta stir it. And help it soak the flavor in the noodles and makes it cool off a little bit. I'm going to take this and this, pour some in here.
I did not say it to be rude. You did what? I'm gonna eat ramen noodles. So.
Is it good stuff?
I literally probably am gonna wind up eating 2 bowls. They're good. Cherry drink.
Cherry water.
Cherry water.
Yeah.
Flavored. White. Got burns in it. Ooh, that looks good. Shh. Just like
Looks wonderful.
it does. I kind of want to show my face and eat it all. Why is it all falling off the bone?
Well, it's been cooking so long.
It
Just falls off the bone.
Press 966781. Goodness, who's gonna do that?
Huh?
Hi.
What you think about it, Scarlett?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. What about you? Oh, you got a mouthful of food. My goodness. How many fingers you gonna give it?
I don't have that many fingers.
You don't have that many fingers?
How much?
The most you can go is 10 out of 10. What do you think?
100 out of 100.
100 out of 100. Oh my gosh.
2,000 out of 2,000 for this, 10 out of 10 for the carrots.